Hello and welcome back to Hawk Academy. Today I'm going to explore some essential text function in Excel that will help you format your text effortlessly, all covering the upper, lower and Profer function, three tools that can transform the case of your text data with just a few clicks. Okay, let's start. First of all, we start from offer. Here the offer function convert all the letter in the text starting to uppercase. Use offer when you need to ensure that all text in the uppercase, such as standardizing data where uppercase is required, like quotes or heading. Okay, let's see. Here you see that offer and text. Okay, text means the source of text where bring the result, and we click here and bracket close. Here you see that all uppercase. Okay, and you can bring this drop down and here you see that all are uppercase. Okay, and next we see that lowercase. Okay, and equal right lower. Okay, text and cover this the source of text where we bring the result. Okay, here you see that C and close bracket, enter. You see that all texts are lower. That means upper means all are capital and lower means all small letter. And if we drop down this and here you see that all are lowercase text. Okay, next we see the Profer. Okay, the Profer function capitalizes the first letter of each word in text string while converting all other letters to lowercase. The text string or cell referencing containing the text you want to format. Use Profer to format text where each word first letter should be capitalized, such as name or title. Okay, let's start. Here equal and write Profer and cover the source of text, close bracket, enter, and you see that the first text or alphabet are uppercase. Okay, here you see that the total T are uppercase or capital letter and P also. Okay, and you can drag down. Here you see that each and every text line are covered the Profer case. Okay, and here only first letter are capital and another letter are small. Okay, that's the main difference between three function of Excel. These three text function are very important for Excel. And now we discuss about the difference between these three function. Okay, offer function convert all letter to uppercase, and lower function convert all letter to lowercase, and Profer capitalize the first letter of each word other to lowercase. Okay, uppercase not case sensitive and lowercase also not case sensitive, and Profer case capitalize the first letter only left or lowercase. Okay, that's all about the upper, lower and prefer case text function in Excel. Hope that you guys understand very well, and please subscribe my channel Hawk Academy. Thank you.